Okay, now that I know that there's nothing back here, no obstacles except this fire block, I don't need to worry about hitting plumbing or any wiring, so we can be a little bit more aggressive with our dagger saw. I'm going to go ahead and open this up here all the way down to the point where I hit that fire block. Alright, the next step will be removing this fire block. In most cases, you're going to see the fire block is nailed in. For some reason, in this instance, they use screws. If it were nailed in, it'd just be a matter of hitting with a hammer. Now that we've removed that, we're going to measure down 40.5 inches and draw a line here. That'll be the bottom limit of our opening. So I've gone ahead and I've outlined where the rest of that opening is going to be, but I've also taken this opportunity to look behind the wall and look down just to make sure there is no wire, there's no plumbing or anything that's going to be in the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this cut. And that's all there is to making your opening. This doesn't need to be really neat. We have plenty of edging that's going to go around. It's going to be covered. Nobody's ever going to see this opening once you install your unit.